I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Brawl Stars and tapping the friend's icon. This places you directly where friend actions happen. Make sure you're logged into your Supercell ID so friend data saves across devices. Once done, check the settings gear to enable contact sync or platform linking. This reveals nearby players and suggested friends. You're now ready to search by player tag, link code, or browse nearby devices. Pick one and proceed to add your first friend. Now you'll find and send requests. If you have a player tag, type it into search and press send friend request. Accuracy matters because tags are exact. Alternatively, paste an invite code into the invite field and confirm. Codes are quick for mobile sharing. If they are in your club or nearby list, open their profile and tap add friend. This creates a mutual connection instantly. Make sure to explain who you are when sending requests so they accept faster. Finish by checking the pending and accepted tabs. Once they accept, invite them to a match or form a squad to test connectivity. If requests don't go through, first verify your internet connection and that the player tag was entered exactly. Also check privacy and friend request settings in both accounts. These commonly block additions. If the server lags, wait 30 seconds and resend, or ask the other player to send you a request instead to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.